Hello guys, today we're looking at RoboForex demo account and I will show you a new version of the ClearVision bars. What I did, I deleted not usable strategies that worked with errors, modified a lot codes in better way. Let me test. What do we have today? In default set we have ATR at last 200 bars with period 21. If you press OK, you will see that you created file ClearVision pars.txt. Let's find this file. This file is here, MetaTrader MQL files, or your data folder MQL files. You will see this. What this indicator did, he created 28 Forex pairs plus 8 XAUv pairs, even if this pairs not exist at the broker. As you know, RoboForex have only XAUv and XAUUSD at real and demo accounts. So once we change time frame, you see that indicator start to work correct, and see it's only calculate only two correct pairs for this broker, XAUv and XAUUSD. He pick up this. What he doing? He take minus 15 plus minus 38. That will be something about 54. He divide this at two pairs. He will receive average minus 27. The same he will do it for other currencies with XAUv. He not use this XAUv pair because it's 0. He not divide at 8. He divide at 7 because we have 5 and 2. This is 7 pairs. He not use this green pair because this pair is not exist for this broker. That's the reason. And in this case you can use this at RoboForex and see index of XAUv also. With default, no matter if it show you when it's doing initialization, it tell we use these pairs. This XAUv pairs also he create automatically, but he tell that 6 XAUv pairs not exist at this broker. As I told you, this broker have only XAUUSD and XAUv, only two pairs. If you change to the IC markets, and he tell receive pairs from file. If this file not exists, this indicator create this file again. Don't worry. Even if I delete this and I reattach again at IC markets, we will have the same file. As you can see, there is this. This was at RoboForex, this one at IC market. They the same. I posted this for you you don't need to enter anything here. So you just know this file exists. And in this case, at IC markets we have 6 XAUv pairs, not only 2. And in this case, XAUv index will be calculated more correct. See, we have this is silver, we not need it. We have XAUv out, XAUv chip, XAUv euro, XAUv GBP, XAUv UP, and XAUv USD. Totally, we have 6 pairs of XAUv. We see them in color. Here they are. And how we calculate this? We sum these values and we divide at 6 because we have only 6 pairs colored here at this broker, that they exist at this broker. I mean, this is why we have only 2 error from indicator, because he cannot read not existed pairs. That's okay. Don't look at this error. This is correct error. This is not a bug. This is feature. Okay, and here also you can see 2 error in sorted pairs and 1 error at XAUv NZD and XAUv CAD. But all indexes now take a part with XAUv pairs to calculate even EUR. EUR also take XAUv EUR take a part to calculate EUR. For example, XAUv UP take a part to calculate UP indexes. So you also keep in mind that XAUv pairs can make effect to the other indexes, not only XAUv index. So keep this just in your head in mind. So what I modified it faster calculation, stochastic. Take a look how it's initialization. Right now it's work really faster. Stochastic RSI from any time frame, it will give you the opportunity to attach and modify it set file much faster. Only this errors, as I told you, this pairs not exist for XAUv. This is why these errors coming, but don't worry about this error. This is normally. And the last strategy I want to show you, by the way, indicator period for RSI and stochastic NTR is here. You can use it. What I wanted to tell you also regarding stochastic, some of you asking why stochastic show plus 100 and minus 100. This is because I coded so. I need a zero line to see center of the market. This is why I recorded. Stochastic usually work from 0 to 100, but I did it like, and center of standard stochastic is a 50, but I did the centers of our stochastic will be a 0. So in this case, minus 100 and plus 100 for me looks better than I not understand which way to trade when stochastic like 60. I not understand what is 60 at usual stochastic, but this stochastic is really tell you, plus 100, minus 100 to see where is the market. It's negative or positive. It's simply to understand what you have to do. Same I did for RSI, but RSI I did plus 50, minus 50. Okay, so you must understand this and you get used to this in time. It's not a problem for you. It will be, I think. And the last strategy is a clear pips. Clear pips can be used, for example, 200 bars. 200 bars. What do we see at 200 bars back? We see that all indexes connected to one point, and from this point we see movement of these indexes right side, and it will repaint and remove each new bar will keep this 200 backs, 200 bar backs. If you don't want to use bar backs, you can use data time. In this case, you can choose today or yesterday. Many people like use day open. For example, we doing 5 minutes after open, like this. A clear pips and indicator period will be not used. It's just a clear pips from day open. What do we see? We not see XAUv index. We not see this mine chart indication. We don't need it. There, what you can do, you see today AUD goes down. You see index of USD, they jump and retrace it. GBP today in trend, euro in trend. At London USD did some big jump. This is why XAUv goes down today. I traded XAUv and I catch a stop loss because I trade the buy XAUv, but it's dropped down the same way as yesterday, and they retrace it and XAUv goes up. The same situation. Big players at XAUv today. This is very simple and clear indication, and we see which currency move from day open. It's really nice. So you can see when the US market, when it's open, what it's doing. London and US market, what's it doing with different currencies. But usually see some of the pairs switch direction after New York open. That's London. That was London. Where is our Chicago and New York? There is market a little bit. Nothing changed. Only JPY grow, but all other USD in range, and you can use it from some data point. I mean, that's the last strategy for today. Also, As I told you, you can use in files, and you can use, for example, 100 bars and see it. Just I'll connect it to 100 bars back, all indexes, and see almost the same situation, but not totally same. But if you press use data time, you will see that it will use this data time point and all will be connected. For example, if you need yesterday, you just press yesterday. I recommend you use 1 minute or 5 minutes after they open, because in this case you will not use the gaps, sometimes possible gaps, so that will give you not correct understanding what happens and why it happens like this. Let's check also, for example, does it works with like 2 hours after open. Let's see the delta. Yes, this is 2 hours. The open was in 1 hour, and there is 2 hours. 2 hours, let's write. That's the time broker opened it in 1 hour. By this time you have to experiment this at them and understand which is your GMT and everything like that, what you want to see. But anyway, you will see this point and you will understand just pressing this mouse and see what is this time. That's not a problem. So the main update is was an indication and the XAUv pairs, and simply ATR. I believe we can use even 500 bars, but turn off like this. Data time turn off. ATR stochastic works fast right now. RSI also good. Okay. And clear pips 500 bars also works fast. So I just leave the fast working strategies without errors. The only clear pips not indicate this mine chart, so you can do it like this and see clearly what happens. And come on, where are you? And indicator create files. What the update was? Indicator create file that post all 28 pairs plus 8 XAUv pairs to calculate correct XAUv index. If you don't trade XAUv, basically you can delete this XAUv. If you wanna trade only Forex, you can delete them. You can delete them, but I'm not promised the indication of my chart will work correct, because I use some sort of that. For example, I delete it and I want to use ATR. XAUv will be 0. Here will be only 28 pairs. All indexes will be calculated without XAUv, and all indexes will have 7 pairs as it was before. I think that works, also works correct. Yeah. So have a good profit, guys. That was the update. That was the update for now. Soon we'll post this version. That will be. Maybe I will also try to add tick indication in this indicator. Later I will add also tick. I want to combine ClearVision tick and ClearVision bars into one indicator, so we'll have no problem to use it at different charts and different brokers. We'll see if I can do it.